Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can get more rolls on Monopoly Go. So let's start. So first, you can get free rolls every 5 minutes, but you can only get 30 of these free rolls. So you have to check back every 2 hours to ensure that you will never miss on these free rolls. You can also get a free rolls when you collect a shield when your shield is full. You can also get free rolls and a good amount of cash by upgrading your town. Another way to get free rolls is to level up your net worth. Every time you level up your net worth, you will get a bunch of free rolls. You can also get 30 free rolls when you invite a friend to play Monopoly. So go ahead and invite as many friends as you can to get a load of free rolls. You can also get free rolls when you complete quick wins. You can earn rewards, and this includes free rolls. So there you have it, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.